You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, American actress, if you want to learn more celebrity names from cinema and character names from Moana. Also, make sure to stay tuned, she is the voice of Moana. How to pronounce her name, Auli'i, Auli'i, okay, so the A is pronounced like an A, the U is pronounced U, then Li, and then you have the little apostrophe, I can't recall the name now, but this means that you need to stop your voice a little bit, so you need to do Auli'i, Auli'i, not Auli'i, but cut your voice a little bit, Auli'i Cravalho, Cravalho, Auli'i Cravalho. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.